In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable comments or discussions under each lesson in your course or training platform, and how to get your learners more engaged. Stick around till the end, because I'll also give you a bonus tip on how to customize these settings to your needs, which will help you improve user interaction and course completion rates. Alright, let's dive straight in. The first step is finding the lesson settings in your software. In most course platforms, you'll need to head over to the settings or admin section where your lessons are managed. If you're using our software, it's very intuitive. You'll see an option labeled Enable Comments or something similar. Click on it to make sure comments are turned on for that specific lesson. Next, once you're in the settings, check for additional options. For example, some software lets you choose whether to allow comments from all users or only from those who are enrolled in the course. You can also customize whether to allow replies to comments or if it should just be a one-way comment stream. This will help control the level of interaction and manage spam or irrelevant comments. Make sure to check the notification settings for comments as well. You don't want to miss any important feedback, and you want your users to know when someone replies to their comment. Notifications are key to keeping the conversation alive. Once that's set up, save your changes and go ahead and test it out. Head over to your lesson as a student and leave a comment. This will help you confirm that everything is working and visible as expected. If you don't see the comment section, double check your settings. If you're using a platform that doesn't have an easy option for comments, don't worry. There are ways to integrate third-party tools. A lot of platforms allow you to embed comment sections or discussion boards. For example, you can use something like discs or even integrate a Slack channel for more advanced discussions. These can be added directly under the lessons as part of your content. I know it can be a little overwhelming trying to get this set up perfectly, but remember, comments are a powerful tool to boost learner engagement and get feedback on your lessons. If you've been looking for the easiest way to enable comments or discussions under each lesson, I recommend trying our software. It's super simple and effective. One last thing, before I finish up, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial of our software linked in the description below. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway. To enable comments or discussions under each lesson, simply find the setting in your course platform, turn on comments, adjust notification settings, and test it out. If your platform doesn't support it, use third-party tools to integrate a discussion section. Remember to take advantage of the free trial to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.